gonna go catch the sunset. Come on, you're coming too. Oh yeah, we always know that there's some bangers at the end of a dirt road. Also, can you tell I know how to dress myself? Literally every piece of clothing is a different color. My first official weekend in Phoenix, and what better way to start it off than with the sunset. Oh, how I've missed these things. I want to hug it so bad. Let's give this thing a try. Okay, I'm gonna start heading back to the car before it gets too dark, but thanks for coming.